Hello everybody, this is EAS Test Fan 25, and you're probably wondering what in the world is this thing? And I'm only showing the top of this. Well, it's an EAS encoder that I just got yesterday. So yep, I'm going to be testing this thing out. And yes, I'm aware, you have to be extremely careful with these things, because if you make one mistake, it will rebroadcast on every radio station and everything, and you'll get fined and everything. So you have to be extremely careful. So I haven't even plugged this thing yet. I got this thing yesterday, so let's do it. Well, first I gotta... Alright, there we go. Here we go. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Holy crap, it's actually working. Look at that. This is a Burk manufactured one, by the way. So, I don't know how this is gonna go, because this is the first time I turn this thing on. And the printer's working, so yeah. Look at that. The time is calibrated except for the time right there. The date is correct, but the time is off by, I think, 30 minutes, I think? But anyway, look at this printer. What is it printing out? It's printing out nothing. What the heck? Okay. Is this supposed to happen? Are you guys seeing this? This is like... Okay. Should be almost done by now. So what I'm gonna send is a weekly test on this thing, because I'm kind of interested what radio station had this equipment before. I'll pause until the printer stops. Alright, it stopped. Goodness, look at how long the paper got with this thing. Look at this. It's completely empty, and I had to just rip it off entirely. So yeah, there you go. Alright. Now, I'm going to send a weekly test. So here we go. So I have to push 1. Last transmission, June 22nd, 2009. Oh boy. This thing hasn't been used for almost 9 years as I'm making this. And I press enter to send the tones. So here we go. Oh, you didn't hear the beginning tones that much, so let's try that again. We'll do it again for the sake of it. Yeah, I know, it's transmitted last time, but let's let the tones in this time. So here we go. And there you go, look at that. A weekly test, well, 2 weekly tests, just sent on this Burk EAS encoder. I'm back a little bit. I just wanted to, let's see what the message actually said. I totally forgot to show you guys that. So yeah, I had to push number 2 if you saw the first menu, and then review message number 1. And there you go. Oh, frick, encoded message. That's it. Oh, there you are. Look at that. There it is. Let's see what radio station this is from. Allen, Ohio. Oh boy. WDOH FM. That's where this equipment came from. Interesting. So this actual equipment right here was used by radio station WDOH. Interesting. Well, and now it's in my possession. All right, thanks for watching.